This week was fun and exciting. We got to get a good few videos from our launchers and we were able to do some video analysis. The graph conversions came back to kick us again. Some practice, I'll get them. We're given problems using a heroic Rocketeer. They're more challenging. We got the first one in the group, but the second one escapes me. What I did this week was to continue to work on our launcher. Our springs weren't cutting it, so I got some rubber bungees. They were better. Dan is going to noodle over the dilemma and come back with something better. We also had a couple graphical conversion quizzes. These are okay, but I find it too hard to go from velocity to acceleration and position versus time. I think I'll grasp it better this week. We also did a Rocketeer problem in class as well as for homework. I got the one in class alright, but the new one baffled me. We were shown how to incorporate sine into our project. It is important. I think Dave will give us a formula and show us how to use it. Dave also showed us a neat demonstration about energy as a currency. It is easier to think of in the context he explained it. One of the things I learned this week is that, although I've said it before, putting a picture of a graph into words makes it much easier to know the graphical conversion. I also learned to put acceleration into words as a mantra, Dave calls it. Acceleration in the same direction is speeding up. Acceleration in the opposite direction is slowing down. What I still need to do is get better at the graphing. Dave says to practice and it'll help, and it does, but I'm still finding it hard. I also need to know how to tweak my numbers for the second Rocketeer problem. I could get the velocity to equal 0, the distance to equal 0, but never at the same time. I also need to get our launcher shored up. It has potential, just a matter of getting everything together right. This was a good week for physics. We got to do our tester machines twice. While ours needs some design work, it shows promise. I'm improving the graph conversions, but I'm still not perfect. I'm confident that eventually I will master them. I'm sure everything for our project will come together in the end.